Hi, I am Dr. S. Rathnadevi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Now I am going to share some information about optimization. First of all, what is optimization? Optimization is it's a technique using in that compiler design. Using that technique, we can reduce the memory spaces and time, execution time. Peephole optimization, it's a specialized technique using in that compiler design. In the optimization, some issues going on. It means how can we break up the codes? How can we breaking the basic blocks, and then within that the basic block level, how can we do the normalization? See, the things to consider for normalization optimization is we have to create some temporary variables, and then we can find out the common sub expressions. Then the basic variables which are used in that basic block but come from outside, and then which are the variables that have been updated in the current basic block. See, this is one example, some temporary variables we are using. See, the first temporary variable what we are using 4 into I, and then the second variable, temporary variable a of t1, third one 4 into I. See this, the t1 and t3 both are same. That is one of the common sub expressions. Like that, we have to find out the common sub expressions. Then b of t3, that is we can store in the one more temporary variable. T2 and T4 we can product, that is we can store in T5, and then product plus T5 we can store in T6, and then I plus 1 T7. Like that, each statements, each operations we can store in one temporary variable for the purpose of doing the optimization. Finally, the T7 we can transfer into I. If I is less than or equal to 20, go to 1. This is for the purpose of doing the optimization. See this diagram. See, in this diagram, the common expression easily we can find out. The same, this example, no? This example, in that diagram level, we can find out the common sub expressions. The 4 into I, T1 and T3. The T1 and T3, see here, the T1 and T3 are both are same operations, that is we can store in the T1 and T3, 4 into I. Like that, see here, go to I is here actually if I is less than or equal to 20, go to 1, no, that statement here we are using. And then a of t1, that is we can store here, and then b of t3, and the product plus t5. So this is easily we can find out in that graph level. And then the leaves are the variables coming from outside. See, n common sub expressions are identified from that above graph, and then n all variables appeared in the node other than leaves or the variables updated here, and also the equivalence of variables which expressions are live can also be known. So these are the main advantages. The DAG construction purpose is actually find out the common sub expressions and which variable we can give the preference first. Like that, which variables are live variable, currently live variables, like that easily we can find out from that DAG construction. See, the peephole optimization, this is one more example. See, move R0, comma A, go to L, and then move A, comma R L2, that is go to L3, and then x equal to x plus 0, x equal to x into 1. See, actually here the redundancies are occurred. Move R0, comma A, go to L, move A, comma R, like that again we are doing the same process, so that such kind of redundancy we have to reduce. See, x equal to x plus 0, x equal to x plus 1, both are giving the same result. So we have to find out the hierarchy of the operators. See, instead of that the multiplication operator, better we can use the plus operator. So better x equal to x into 1, instead of that better we can use x equal to x0. So the operator cost we have to find out, according to that we have to use in that particular place. So the peephole optimization purpose is actually in the coding level, which variables are very important, which operators are very important, which are redundancy variables we can find out, which are common sub expressions, like that we can find out, and then we can do the next process. So optimization purpose is we can reduce the memory spaces and execution time. Thank you.